In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and customize the ribbon in Microsoft Word, enabling the Developer tab and adding a checkbox to your document. This tutorial will guide you through each step in a straightforward manner, making this task a breeze even if you're not familiar with these features. First, let's get started by opening your Microsoft Word file. Make sure the document you're working on is saved, as we will be making changes to the interface. In Microsoft Word, like many other applications, the toolbar is fully customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your needs, which is exactly what we are going to do today. Once your document is open, navigate to the top left of the window and click on File. This will take you into the Backstage view of Word, giving you access to several settings and configurations that are not visible on the main screen. From there, look towards the bottom of the menu on the left-hand side and click on Options. This opens up a dialog box that allows you to adjust many settings that govern how Word looks and behaves. Within the Options dialog box, you'll see a list of categories on the left. Click on Customize Ribbon. The ribbon is the strip of buttons and icons located above your document that provides quick access to various commands. Customizing the ribbon allows you to add or remove buttons, making your workflow more efficient. In the Customize Ribbon section, you'll notice a column on the right showing the main tabs that are currently active in your Word interface. Scroll through this list and look for the Developer option. Ensure that the checkbox next to Developer is checked. This step is crucial because the Developer tab gives you access to advanced Word features, including the ability to insert and customize checkboxes. After you have enabled the Developer tab, click OK to close the options window and return to the main Word interface. Now you should see the Developer tab at the top of the screen appearing alongside other tabs like Home and Insert. Click on the newly visible Developer tab. Here you'll find a range of tools to enhance your document, including form controls. Locate the checkbox control, which is found in the Controls section of the ribbon. It looks like a checkable box icon. Clicking this will insert a checkbox wherever your cursor is positioned in the document. And there you have it. With these steps, you've not only enabled the Developer tab within Word, but you've also added a checkbox to your document by utilizing the tools available. This feature is handy for creating forms that might need user interaction or tracking things in a simple, visual manner. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find these tips useful for your document editing needs.